Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Hi guys, mag-ano tayo ng malunggay. Mag-haros. This is Moringa leaves. In Bisaya, Kalamunggay. In Tagalog, Malunggay. It is known for its health benefits of vitamins and everything else. This is, for all of this, it costs us $3.04, which is almost 150 pesos. Whereas in the Philippines, we just go to our neighbors if you don't have one, which most of the people in the Philippines have one, at least 1 tree. And it's free.
He's taking the leaves from the neighbor's tree? Oh my.
No, you just go to your neighbor and then say,
Oh, you gotta ask first.
yeah, of course.
Oh, always ask before you...
No stealing.
No stealing.
Because I'm showing
Oh.
the American people
Oh, yeah.
if they don't know how
Yeah.
to haros.
Whistle while you work. Whistle while you work.
I'm gonna sing, what will I sing? Bahay kubo kahit munti. I'm gonna show you this song. Sing it, Han. Bahay. This is a really
Bahay.
like a national folk song.
Bahay?
Bahay kubo kahit
kubo.
munti.
Muti.
Ang halaman
Ang
doon
halaman.
ay sari-sari. How come that song didn't mention about this malunggay? They mention almost all vegetables
Oh, except for this one?
except for this one.
In that song?
Yeah,
That's weird.
yeah. Or this one wasn't famous yet because that's really an old song.
Holy moly, you just rip them right off.
Yeah, like that.
I thought you were supposed to do it one by one.
Oh, if you're in a hurry,
Oh.
just do like this, eh? You just
Backwards?
Like, yeah, backwards and then cut it as you go along. And
Pull the
then,
leaves backwards. They come off
and then
easier.
like that, like that. But then you do it again to make sure, you know. Just I grew up doing this, hon. So, and I'm 30 years old now, so.
Looks like somebody cut down the whole tree there.
See, like that, like that, like that, like that. I'm not using all of this because it's a lot. I'm gonna save some of this for the next, maybe tinolang manok. So, I think this is enough.
See, these Filipinos here in America have to go to the store to get things that are so common over there in the Philippines to eat.
And they're spendy.
And spendy too. Very spendy.
Yeah. You wanna
Especially your
feel?
fruits. Fruits are so expensive for...
Yeah. Okay, finish this hand. These are still long ones. See? See? These are long ones. Just do like that.
Make
And
sure
then,
all the branches are gone.
Yeah, because you don't want to eat those. Those are hard.
Unless you want to use them for toothpick.
Okay.
I think you use it for toothpick.
That should be enough.
I think you did the easy part.
Ah.
I think you did the easy part.
What do you mean?